touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I?
Those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces, if they gave it you, baby, don't you understand? I wanna be an estimate. I wanna make your body scream. Then you
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of.
how did you want it? How did you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can, living in the fast lane. How do you want it? How do you feel? Coming up as a nigga in a cash can, living in the fast lane.
Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on.
I represent honeys with money, fly guys and gent. Ride with the tents, that be 35%. Foes hope I lay, so I look both ways. Cop says okay, my tent smoke grace, no way. Nigga leave without handing me my shit. Got plans to get my land and my six. Niggas out of town don't understand this shit. Pop champagne like I won a championship.
Superstitions, black cats and voodoo dolls. I feel a premonition. That girl's gonna make me fall. She's into new sensations, new kicks in the candlelight. Woman, you know you're woman. You got to be a woman. I got the feeling of love when you're talking to me. You see right through me. I got the feeling of love. She's a woman, you know what I mean. You better listen to me.
There's a hole in the sky where our innocence died, with our family and friends and our fellow.
Vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality, oh, there goes gravity.
1, 2, 3,
My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna? But can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now.
Till the night he put that bottle to his head and pulled the trigger, and finally drank away her memory.
Life is short, but this time it was bigger.
Man, wanna know if he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it, girl. Indeed, I can run it. Is your man wanna know if he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it, girl. Indeed, I can run it. Come here, you see, girl, I can see.
Can we climb this mountain? I don't know. Higher now than ever before. I know we can make it if we take it slow. That's taking easy, easy now. Watch it go. We're burning down the highway skyline on the back of a hurricane that started.
Minimum wage with a baby on the way. Let me tell you about hard work. Rebuilding your house after the bombs took them away. Let me tell you about hard work. Building a bed out of a cardboard box. Let me tell you about hard work.
The world sees it rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the streets I used to own.
World's Michael Jackson, you're Michael Jackson, I'm Michael Jackson, we all Michael Jackson. I guess what I'm asking is everybody bow their head for a legend. Don't breathe for a second, now let the air out. Grab a hand of somebody you care about, so you can hear my message, my confession. Somebody tell Usher I seen a moonwalk. I get
Oh my gosh. You make me wanna say,
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare.